Hello, my purse peeps. I am here today with the reveal of a Dooney Bourke set that I picked up a while ago, and then an unboxing of a new set that I just picked up. I think Dooney Bourke offers a great opportunity to build your collection when they have those fantastic sales. So either you can find one great, nice, good piece, or find a piece to bring into a set. So if you're interested in learning more about what I have today, please keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So this set here is a set that I purchased probably over a year ago. It includes the nylon shopper in cranberry, which I've had a video on this before, and I will link that video so you can get a full review of the nylon shopper, which is a beautiful bag. So I will link that video so you can learn more about that bag as well. And then here's a bag that I haven't shared on my channel before. This is the Nylon Layla Tote, which is also in cranberry. And just a little bit of information about the Layla Tote. As you can see, she's very shapely, very beautiful, and she's outlined with the beautiful Sierra leather trim, and she has the prominent Dooney patch on the front to match the tote that I shared as well. And she does have these very nice snaps on the side to expand her, so she has more room on the inside. Currently the Layla is on sale right now on the I Love Dooney's website using the code LONGWEEKEND. She's 30% off, which makes her $130.20 right now for this long weekend. Let me take some of Layla's stuffing out. So as you can see, she does have a slip pocket on the back, or a zip pocket on the back, collared in the brown leather trim. Then she also has a slip pocket, which is also collared in the leather trim. She also has the Dooney leather patch. Let me take more stuffing out. She has the Dooney leather patch in the back. And on the alternative side, Layla has a, let me make sure she doesn't have anything in her. She has the two slip pockets collared in the leather, and Layla also has the key clip or key leash, and she fits quite a bit. So when I take her on a trip and I use the set to include the nylon shopper, it's an awesome and beautiful set. So this is the Layla, very beautiful bag. So now let me get into the unboxing of another set that I picked up. This set was picked up as a part of their best sale, which was a couple weeks ago. Okay, so here are the two boxes with the new items that I picked up to actually build on a set, because I purchased another bag previously that this set matches. So for the first item, so I'm so excited. Okay, so this first item, is a flap backpack. It's also in the nylon. And let's get her all unpackaged here so you can see what I have. This is flat backpack in navy, and it is number 23 of 30. Okay, and I purchased this item to build my Dooney nylon set, and you will recall from a prior video that I have my navy editor's tote that I revealed on my channel. So I purchased this and the next item to match my editor's tote, which I will put a link to the video where you can see and learn more about the editor's tote. So again, building on my existing collection, taking advantage of the Dooney sales. So let me take most of this out. So in the front, you can see she also has the prominent leather Dooney patch. She has a snap closure on the front, She also has on the inside a Dooney patch on the back. She has a zipper pocket as well, a zip collared in leather, and she also has one slip pocket. Let me take some of the stuffing out. She has the key leash as well. And then on the inside, she has two slip pockets, collared in leather also. And as you can see, she's on the smaller size, but she does have adjustable straps for the back. So she'll make a nice addition to my navy nylon set. You can see she also has those beautiful leather details, the braided leather on the side, similar to the nylon tote. So very pretty details on this as well. So the leather trimming really brings out this canvas type nylon, and I say canvas type because it's a really sturdy nylon. So very pretty. I'm looking forward to wearing them together as a set. The flat backpack is currently not available right now on I Love Dooney on their long weekend sale, but if you see it pop up and you're looking to build a set, this is one great option as well. I'll come back with a video in the future to show what fits. So now let me open the second item that I picked up to go with my navy blue nylon set here. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This is a bag that you've also seen before on my channel, and it is none other than the beautiful nylon Erica. And I have a video where I gave a full review on the Erica, sharing how she is one of my favorite Dooney Bourke bags. And now I have her because I took advantage of the last sale, which was the best sale. At the time, during the best sale, Erica was on sale for $69. Now, unfortunately, she's gone up even on sale. Right now, with the long weekend sale, Erica's $88.20. I will connect or put a card on this video to give you more details on Erica so that you can have a full review. But here's my Dooney nylon set in navy. Here is the editor's tote to match. So a nice little set here, and again, the sales offer a great opportunity to build your collection. And for me, I love to travel when I have my matching bags, so I always look forward to the Dooney sales to build on my collection. So thank you for watching, and I would encourage you, if you are interested in snagging a set or snagging some additional Dooney items, right now they do have a sale going on with the code Long Weekend, and it's 30% off. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Thank you to my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, please, I encourage you to subscribe. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate your support, and we will talk soon.